Step 1. 6 unusual side hustles that you may not have heard before. Step 2. No money required to start. Step 3. No experience needed. Step 4. Get paid thousands of dollars per month. So today I'm going to show you how you can do something different for you to make money online. In this video, I am about to show you 6 unusual side hustles that you've probably not heard of before, which are paying people thousands of dollars a month. You don't need to have any skills, no degree, and no money to start. What's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hello and thanks for stopping by. On this channel, I help everyday people like you make money online using simple strategies and tools. I know how tough it can be to make ends meet, which is why I'm passionate about sharing these methods to help you earn passive income, gain financial freedom. Please be sure to like, subscribe and click the notification bell to stay updated with my latest videos on how to make money online, as I share new strategies and tools to help you succeed financially. Now let's dive into this great way for you to start making money online with these unusual side hustles. The first one I have for you is this. If you have ever been told that you are a good listener, then this one is going to be for you. This side hustle is called being an empathetic listener. There are many people out there that are experiencing really hard times and they don't feel that they can talk about it with their family or friends because they don't want to be judged by them. So then, this is where you come in. You certainly don't have to be a therapist or a counselor. You don't need a degree, you don't need to be certified, and you do not have to solve any problems. You are literally only required to listen. People are offering these types of empathetic listening services on places such as Fiverr, and they are charging $60 an hour just to listen to someone vent. Now, you are not required to give out your personal information such as your telephone number. People are doing this through Zoom using video. If people are uncomfortable about being seen on the video, then you just mute or hide your face. Some people prefer texting, and you can get a free phone number from Google Voice in order to keep your information private. The second side hustle may seem a little weird to you, but it pays really well. This company is called Human Microbes, and they are a fecal research company. They pay people to send them samples of their poop. Yes, you heard me right. Samples of their poop. Poop is something you do every day, so you're not going out of your way to do anything extra to get those dollars. In particular, this company is paying $500 per sample. If you take enough, at least twice a day, that's $1,000 in one day, and this is very real. Guys, this is really legit, and you can become a stool donor, which is what it's called. The process is, after you've finished doing your business, you go ahead and put it in a Ziploc bag. After that, you put it on some dry ice and then ship it to the company. Gosh, I'm sure you are wondering why in the world is a company interested in buying your poop and paying premium for it. And one reason is due to something called fecal transplants. There are patients who are in need of donors to get help with their bowel and gut health to increase good bacteria and microorganisms in order for them to have healthier bowels. With research, as you know, there are a lot of drugs being tested for various things like C. diff. However, I will say say that human microbes has some pretty strict requirements for their donor, as of course they should. You are required to be in good health, be physically fit, and a list of some other things. But don't worry if you don't fall in those requirements, because there are other companies that will pay you for your poop. Good Nature Stool donation program are paying $1,500 a month. This may not be as much as the other one, but I mean, to get paid to do something that you should be doing naturally is such a good amount of money. For sure, I'll take the $1,500 a month. Also, guys, let me know down in the comments if this is a side hustle you would consider doing. Now then, the next side hustle, many of you may consider this to be weird. However, there is a huge market for it, and I'm referring to autonomous sensory meridian response. And if you're not familiar with asthma, don't worry, you're not on your own. Autonomous sensory meridian response is a tingling sensation that usually begins on the scalp and moves down the back of the neck and upper spine, which is a pleasant form of paresthesia. It's been compared with audio tactile. People experience a sensation when they hear certain sounds, including tapping sounds. So, if you have a soothing voice or a talent for making those gentle sounds, then you can start streaming this live on TikTok or on YouTube. People are being paid for doing asthma live, and there are people on YouTube getting millions of views for doing these types of videos. It does not have to be as weird as this one, but there really is a huge feel for these types of videos, and some channels make up to $63,000 a month doing this. You only need a camera, a microphone, a little creativity, and of course the time it takes to build a following and to start monetizing your videos. The next side hustle is all about virtual babysitting, and yes, I did say virtual babysitting. Now then, with this side hustle, you can provide caregiver services to families, and you can provide this much needed service right from the comfort of your home. I realize you're probably thinking, well, how can I babysit without physically having to be in the person's home? Now then, there are sites such as virtualbabysittersclub.com, which for sure is a legitimate business. This site has been featured on CBS, ABC News, Good Morning America, and Business Insider, and for sure they are very much a reputable site. Payment is around $30 an hour. This service is valuable and will enable busy parents that much needed break to finish some tests, do some house chores, or even finish up some of their work. Nowadays, there are a lot of people working from home. Therefore, you'll pretty much be responsible for keeping the child engaged and entertained while their parents are busy. Some of the things you may be asked to do could be to read a story that is engaging with the child, or play games, or help the child with their homework. So it will be an assortment of things along these lines. Also, other things like tap dancing or something like that. It really is about you keeping the child engaged and entertained. So just come up with some creative ideas. Because you won't physically be in the home, then you can be available to families almost anywhere in the world and use your English or help overseas children with. The next one is also good, and yes, I'm bringing variety, guys, because I'm aware that people have a lot of needs and different interests. So somewhere in here you should be able to find something that intrigues you. Now then, if you like sleeping a lot, then this one is for you. Do you know that you can get paid to review sleeping products and to be asleep? So then, Sleep Junkie is a site that offers different and random sleep type of studies. Moreover, they often are looking for reviewers or for people to engage in studies they are carrying out about sleeping outside to see how outdoors impact people's sleep. For instance, they may be doing a research on families of four. You will be sent on a 3-day, all expenses paid camping trip, and you will be paid $1,500 to do so. There are also reviews whereby you're required to eat cheese before going to sleep. The company may want to know how cheese impacts your sleep. So this review pays about $1,000. There are also many other companies offering this particular review as well. Eachnight.com are looking for people to take sleep studies, and you'll be paid around $1,500. Just let me know down in the comments if this is something that you wouldn't mind doing. Next up on our list of unusual side hustles is a pretty interesting one, I think. Now then, what if I were to say to you that you can make some really good money just by singing happy birthday to people? And you certainly don't need a good singing voice just to sing happy birthday to you. Unusually, there are people that are looking to buy happy birthday videos from you. However, they want you to put a spin on it and make it funny or do something silly with it. These services are on places such as Fiverr, so there is definitely a market for this show, and people are searching for these happy birthday, funny, goofy videos, which will be sent to their families and friends. Now, this person actually charged $20 to create happy birthday videos such as this, and they have over 1,600 reviews, and they actually got way more sales than that. So let's take these 1,600 reviews and multiply by the $20. Then that's over $32,000 revenue just by making videos like this. Guys, please let me know which of these side hustles you liked. If you have not as yet liked this video, then please do so, because it helps me out with that YouTube algorithm. Okay guys, thanks for stopping by, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.